My name is Carreathers, and today we're going to be touring this brand new community here on the northwest side of town called the Volcano Mesa. This is a new community on this side of town, and I haven't really seen any like this in this price point. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to tour the model home, and we're going to see what other plans are available for you guys. So let's go on for the tour. All right guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe because I want more people like you to see what Albuquerque has to offer. Let's go inside. This plan right here is called the Stella. So it comes in like a 3-bedroom or a 4-bedroom. You have 2.5 bathrooms. And the entranceway is nice. You have a nice covered patio entranceway. I like how you have the wall situated right here. It gives you some good privacy. And of course you have a nice sized window in the front, but let's stop talking here and go inside. Come on. They have a few different models here at the Volcano Mesa, and this one is the Stella. So in the Stella, you're gonna have your half bathroom right next to the front entrance of the home. But actually, let's go ahead and switch right here to show you what's happening over here. This would be considered like a foyer. You have your window, like I said, which brings in some natural light right here. And you also have like a decent sized coat closet. Now with this plan, well, this house in general, you have like the really nice mocha finished tiled floors. And I kind of like that a lot because this dark tile floor really makes this whole space pop. And you'll see that when we get over here. We're coming down here, you'll have your staircases leading all the way upstairs. And also make sure you guys watch this video all the way to the end because at the end we're going to be talking about prices and also great incentives for you guys that this new build community is offering. But we're going to make our way over here to the kitchen. Again, you have that mocha finish. I'm not too sure if you guys like the brown, but personally I kind of like the gray a little bit. It feels more open inside of houses when you have like that cool finish. Yeah, so this is nice. You have like your quartz countertop. And I mean, this is a decent sized island for a house of this size. It's 1,800 square feet. So you'll have your primary downstairs, then you have all the other bedrooms upstairs. And for this size, I do like the layout for the kitchen. You have a lot of cabinet space on this side. Your stainless steel appliances, you have your pantry, and then your washer and laundry unit would be right there to be its own service room connected to the 2-car garage. But coming all the way down this way, this would be a nice sectioned off informal dining room setup. Personally, sometimes I kind of like having the formal dining rooms where it's tucked in the side in another room, but having it informal is pretty nice because it's open, so you're able to watch your family in the living room. You can all eat in this corner right here, and then the kitchen's tucked over there. One thing about 2-story homes that I'm seeing a lot of right now is having the high ceilings here. So I would say I'm like 6'4". I think these ceilings are like 8 feet tall, and you do have this oversized window, brings in a lot of natural light from your backyard. I'll show you guys the backyard later because I want to show you the primary suite. So like right over here. Some people love it, some people hate it, but I've noticed a lot of people love having the primary suite downstairs. And personally, I kind of like it too because it's like nice security. You have your family upstairs, and if any intruders come inside of the house, you're right there next to the door, so you can just take care of it. Now, this room is a decent sized room. You have your 8-foot high ceilings. You have these 2 windows, which brings in a lot of natural light. These 2 windows look out into your backyard, so if you're ever just inside of your room and want to watch your kids or your loved ones play outside, then you have a nice view of what's happening outside. Also, your bathroom doesn't have a door, so it's a nice little closet. You could probably add like a little barn door here if you wanted to. I'd probably do that. You have your double vanity sink. You have an open linen closet right here. I kind of like that because it's just pushed off to the side. You don't have any extra doors that you have to open that make it really crowded in here. So it's pushed off to the side right here. You guys come in a little bit, you'll see that yourself. And then you have your water closet. And I would say this is like an oversized, this is like an oversized walk-in shower right here. Typically you'll see ones that are square. This one's more rectangle, so it is considered oversized. You have the tiled backsplash in there. You don't have the plastic, which is cool. And then your walk-in closet. It's a decent sized closet for the size of this house. It's decent size. Every single home comes equipped with the shelving and all the walk-in closet, which is a huge plus. So when you guys walk in, you guys buy your home here, you won't have just a plain closet. You already have shelves and hangers ready for you to hang up all your clothes. All right, so the reason why I think this community right here, the Volcano Mesa, is in a great location is because if you're looking for more of like a quieter, calmer part of side of town, this community is great for you because it's a little bit further out from the city of Albuquerque, which gives you the ability to not get into traffic every day. And then you also have great schools like Volcano Vista, which is right down the road. It's one of Albuquerque, New Mexico's top rated high schools here in town. And also you have CNM West Side 2 minutes down the block and a nice variety of food places and also grocery stores. So you'll have your neighborhood Walmart, you'll have your Target down the road, and also food spots. There's tons of them. Let's go upstairs. All right, guys, so we're gonna make our way upstairs. Now, on this particular floor plan, you don't have a loft, but you're gonna have 3 more bedrooms, and they're all conjoined right here with 1 full bathroom. So I'll go ahead and let you guys tour that out. And let me know what you guys think in the comments if you like this layout or not. Alright guys, we made our way outside to your backyard. Now none of the homes are gonna look like this in the backyard. Of course, this is a model home, so it's gonna be fully landscaped. But for this side of town, it's actually a decent sized yard. Watch, you stand right there, I'm gonna stand right here. You have a good amount of room to do whatever it is that you guys please in the backyard. And of course, you have the covered patio porch again. Now the pavers right here, they don't come with the house, but if you wanted to get pavers done in your house, I do know a good company here in Albuquerque that can get that done for you. Just go ahead and read that description below and I'll tag them in it. Let's go over here and talk to Lawrence and see what some great incentives are for you guys when it comes to buying out here in the Volcano Mesa. Let's go. All right guys, I want to introduce you guys to the sales rep here at the Volcano Mesa. How you doing, man?
Good. My name is Lawrence. Thanks for stopping by, Chris.
So tell us like what's going on with this community and what's like all the hype about this one right here.
Awesome. So yeah, Volcano Mesa is one of our newest communities. It just opened up a few weeks ago. We're here in Ventana Ranch off Paseo and Universe. And for a brand new home up here, we'll be starting around $379, $990 out the door. And we have a lot of great incentives going on as well.
Okay. Are you able to touch on those incentives or not too much?
Yeah. So those incentives are a lower than market interest rate with our lender, up to $7,500 in closing cost. And right now we're including all appliances at the moment. So.
Great. So we just got done touring this model right here. And can you explain to the audience what this model is and what's the base price of this one right here?
Yeah, so this is our Stella floor plan, 1883 square feet, 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath. And this one's really nice. The base price is in the high 3s with options, upgrades, the lot premium. You're looking around $434. And we have a few of these ready between end of March and beginning of May right now.
Oh, wow. Okay. So this is like a new community that just broke ground practically? Or?
Yep, we just broke ground. We have about 10 to 12 specs under construction for sale that all qualify for that rate that I'm telling you about, and we have homes that are further out that will be ready in May, April, and further out. So
okay, cool. So talking about like the specs, how many different floor plans do you guys have in this community?
We have 7 different floor plans. We have 3 2-story floor plans and 4 single stories, 3 bed, 4 bath, from a little over 1,300 square feet to 2,200 square feet.
Okay, great. And by the way, guys, if you want to know more about each floor plan, go ahead and read that description down below. And there'll be a nice little detailed paragraph about each floor plan and which one might be right for you guys. But let's go ahead and get on with the tour. Thank you, Lawrence, man.
Thank you, Chris.
All right, guys, thanks for coming on this tour with me of the Volcano Mesa community. If you guys would like more information on this beautiful community and also what is surrounding it, contact that number right there on your screen. My name is Chris Carreathers, local realtor in town. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next tour. Don't forget to read that description too as well. Bye.